If you don't pay your council tax by direct debit, it's highly likely you've yet to receive your free £150 energy rebate from the government. In order to help you find out when and how you're expected to get your money, I've put together this guide. Under the rebate scheme, councils are making a £150 non-repayable payment to households in council tax bands A to D in England, Scotland and Wales. But most councils have prioritised getting the money to households that pay their council tax bill by direct debit first. Now that over 200 councils have paid direct debit payers, many have released information on how they expect to pay those who pay their council tax bill by other means. It is likely now too late to set up a direct debit to receive the money, and so you'll instead get your rebate another way. Having looked at the websites of many councils across England and Wales that are responsible for paying the rebates, here are the different payment methods I found. Filling a form online and then getting paid into your bank account. This is the most common payment route for people who don't pay by direct debit. The forms allow you to share your bank details with your council safely, so it can put the £150 directly into your account. Some of the forms will require you to provide a unique code, and this will likely be contained in a letter sent to you by your council, so do keep a lookout for it. Approximately 191 councils have taken this route so far. Next up, a voucher to be redeemed at the post office. So far 34 councils have taken this route. This will entail you being sent a letter in the post containing a unique barcode that you will be able to take to any of the UK's 11,000 plus post office branches to receive the £150. Failing that, a credit is applied to your council tax account. So far, 9 councils in England and Wales have said that they will apply the £150 credit to the council tax accounts of all eligible households. If you owe your council money, this will reduce the amount you owe, but it's still worth contacting your council to see if it will refund the £150 as cash. And finally, a cheque in the post for you to cash with your bank. So far, only 3 councils have said that they are sending households a cheque worth £150 to those who don't pay by direct debit. You'll be able to cash this at your usual bank or building society or via its smartphone app. Please be advised that if you have the option of filling in an online form but don't, your council will apply the £150 rebate as a credit to your council tax account, reducing your monthly bill. Deadlines for filling in the form will differ by council, but if you want the cash, complete the form as soon as you can. If you live in Scotland, all 32 councils with responsibility for the rebates have already made a full or partial payment. In this case, all councils will offer the full £150 discount off one monthly council tax bill, or they'll debit it across the year's bills, which are typically broken down into 10 months. However, Aberdeenshire Council allows households to exchange their council tax discount for a cash refund if they wish to. Please be advised that if you have problems filling out the online forms or redeeming a voucher or cheque at a post office or bank branch due to accessibility issues, then please contact your council. Each council has alternative ways to help those who may not be able to retrieve the £150 in the conventional way. Anyone sitting in their overdraft could miss the rebate, as it could end up paying off the debt in their accounts, preventing households from ring-fencing the money for essential bills and utility costs. If you're worried this could affect you, use the first right of appropriation to prevent your bank from using the £150 cash to pay off your overdraft. This rule allows you to instruct your bank to ring-fence the cash to help pay off a specific bill or a number of different bills. To set this up, you'll need to tell your bank that a £150 payment from your council will be landing in your account on a certain date, and then request how you want the funds to be distributed, for example, to pay off one of your monthly energy bills or a mobile contract. The charity National Deadlines template letter can help you work out what to write to your bank or building society. I've put the direct link to that template letter in the description box below for you. And finally, if you don't qualify for the main £150 rebate because you don't live in a property in bands A to D, don't worry. Extra cash may be available to you, and councils have until the end of November to pay this out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do give it a like, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Why not share this video with someone else you might think may benefit from it? And if you have any questions or comments, leave them for me below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.